Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the A50 model and gathering cables. This matters because Xbox variants use the included base station. Once the headset is charged, power on the base station and set any mode switch to the Xbox position. Next, plug the base station into a free USB port on your Xbox Series X. This supplies power and initiates the wireless pairing process, so make sure the connection is solid and the base station shows active LEDs before moving on. Next, handle audio routing. If your base station and Xbox support optical, attach the optical cable for full game audio. If the Series X lacks optical, use the USB-only option and accept stereo output limitations. Once cables are in place, go to Xbox settings, then volume and audio output, and choose the connected A50 for both chat and game audio so levels are managed by the console. Finish by pressing the base station and headset pairing buttons until LEDs flash. Then wait. Pairing can take several seconds. Finally, fine-tune levels. Use the A50 transmitter's mix knob to balance chat and game, make small adjustments and test in a game or party. If audio or mic problems persist, update the headset firmware through Logitech G Hub on a PC because firmware fixes connectivity bugs. If you still have no sound, make sure to try another USB port, restart the Series X, repair the headset, and consider an optical or USB adapter when your console lacks an optical output. This often resolves missing game audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.